Begin the broadcast with big news that we're tracking as far as BJP leaders and party workers who are conducting massive protests in Bengaluru in connection with the Hanuman Chalisa Rao, where now the party leader Shobha Karandlaje has been detained and other party leaders have also been held. My colleague Pinky, of course, is continuously reporting on the story. Firaj joins me live. Pinky, what is the latest that you can tell us? We do know what has happened so far in this particular case, but with the fact now the leaders have also been detained, give us a quick sense of what's happening on ground.
Well, let me first take you through the live visuals right outside the shop where this incident had happened. And here the large number of community are here raising slogans of Jai Shri Ram, and in fact we see Hanuman Dhwaja and Shri Ram Dhwaja in their hands. Today the plan was basically they had called for a Nagrat Pet Bandh, and also there was supposed to be a Hanuman Chalisa march that was supposed to take place, but police did not allow. And as you see the visuals, we did see police continuously pushing the crowd, trying to disperse the crowd. Shobha Karandlaje had reached here to meet the victim, and also to disperse the crowd. Police had also taken Shobha Karandlaje in custody, has detained in fact, and these are the visuals. As you see, the anger among the business community is clearly seen. They seem to be demanding justice for the shopkeeper, and you see the scuffle between the police and the common man. And the common man here, the business community, and a lot of ruckus is happening here right now. Chants of Modi is also seen by the BJP supporters here, and as you see the scuffle between the police and the protesters here. Police is continuously trying to disperse the crowd and take them into the detention is what we are seeing right now. There is a huge anger among the business community, claiming that the police did not act against the accused, and showing this particular force on the common man. Here is what we hear from the shopkeepers. Clearly this particular incident has taken now a political turn, with BJP MPs reaching out to the victims and the protesters. We saw Tejasvi Surya and PC Mohan reaching to the shop and meeting the victim yesterday, and today also we see Tejasvi Surya reaching out here, meeting the protesters, and huge slogans are heard from these people here of Jai Shri Ram and raising slogans against the government. BJP has also termed the Siddaramaiah government's appeasement politics as a result that the men barged into the shop and had war of words that in fact escalated into a physical assault on the victim named Mukesh. So clearly BJP is now questioning the Siddaramaiah government, terming that these are the men of Siddaramaiah who seem to be roaming in the streets and terrorizing the people. As far as Bengaluru is concerned, we saw this incident happening on Sunday, and ever since then this particular issue has become a political issue, with BJP continuously claiming there is a failure of Siddaramaiah government and demanding answers from the Siddaramaiah government. Let me also take you through the visuals right outside this particular shop, and we see people are chanting Hanuman Chalisa here. These are the visuals that you are seeing, where people are chanting Hanuman Chalisa.
Pinky, as you're getting us those important details and also showing us what's happening, what is important here to also understand as to how this controversy really broke out, because we know Tejasvi Surya came out in support yesterday of the person who was assaulted, the shopkeeper in this particular case, and now we're seeing a massive support on that front. But more importantly, as far as this protest is concerned, if you're able to talk to a few people there, what are they hoping to really achieve with this protest, and what are the demands that they're putting forth?
हिंदी वॉक थ्रू यहाँ से करें बेंगलुरु के नगरपेट में रविवार की शाम को जो इंसिडेंट हुआ, जहां पर 6 लोगों ने एक दुकानदार पर हमला किया, उसके बाद ये मामला राजनीतिक हो गया है। लगातार बीजेपी सिद्दारमैया सरकार पर सवाल उठा रही है। इस बीच आप देख सकते हैं कि दुकान के
said. That is my colleague Pinky, of course, essentially getting us that ground report as to what's really transpiring there in Bengaluru. In fact, this is a Nagarpete area, which is a prominent business area as well. And you're looking at the visuals of the fact that they've taken in large numbers to be protesting. Like she was also reporting that the BJP did state the protest, and including leaders like Shobha Karandlaje were detained by the cops.